Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Creators of Advice. I'm here to be showing you other creators' content like video editing, color grading, anything that related to video. I'm here to be showing you things that you will learn one or two things from. So please, before we go further, please subscribe to my channel. I just created the channel and that is only help I need from you. I just created, I don't have any follower yet. Please subscribe to my channel. Also on my Instagram, give me a follow and drop your comments, whatever thing you want me to bring next. So don't waste your time, let's go into it.
So this effect is called the mini-me, and it's actually really easy to create something similar in CapCut. So let's break it down. For your first clip, find a wall, knock on it and pretend something is happening over there. For your second clip, get in front of a door and make sure the whole door is in frame. Open it and do whatever you like. Import both clips in CapCut and scroll to your video with the door. Select it and make it an overlay. Drag the overlay right under your first clip, and once done, head over to remove background. Over here, select custom removal and use the brush tool to select the door. Once done, hit the check mark, resize and reposition the door so it fits in the wall, and now you should have something like this. To get your hand in front of the door while knocking, make a duplicate of your first clip and make it an overlay. Select your second overlay and go to remove background, custom removal and select your arm. Export your video and you're good to go.
I'm sure you enjoyed the video. You learn, I learn, we both learn. So please subscribe to my channel. That is really help. Only favor you can do me that I will really appreciate. Thanks. God bless.